Enjoy nature. Be grounded. Allow the water to be one with you. This is a nice little creek, a beautiful little river. Dip your feet in the water. It feels good. Be one with the water. Be one with the earth. Ha! Feels good. And walk barefoot wherever you go. Always surround yourself with nature. Always. You are nature. Nature is you. Your body is made of flesh. The earth is made of flesh. Flesh to flesh. Your body is made of space. Space to space. Form, formless. You are emptiness. You are spaciousness. You are everything. You are nothing at the same time. Surround yourself with nature. Always take your shoes off and get into the water. It's a healing process. It's a very good healing tool to work barefoot. Do it often and at peace. Namaste.